Gas chromatography is a technique that can handle a wide variety of sample types, making it an incredibly versatile tool for many different applications. It's like a superhero with the power to tackle any challenge that comes its way. For example, in forensic science, gas chromatography is one of the go-to techniques for analyzing blood, urine, and other bodily fluid samples. It's like a magnifying glass for forensic scientists, helping them uncover vital clues and solve crimes. But that's not all. Gas chromatography is also a valuable tool in environmental analysis. By analyzing air and water samples, scientists can identify and quantify pollutants, helping to protect our planet and safeguard the public. Food and beverage analysis is another area where gas chromatography shines. It's like a taste tester for scientists, helping to identify the unique flavors and aromas in different foods and beverages. And let's not forget about pharmaceuticals. Gas chromatography is essential in ensuring the purity and potency of drugs. It's like a gatekeeper, ensuring that only the highest quality medications are allowed through to the next stage of development and onto the market, where they can improve the lives of patients around the world. In short, gas chromatography is an incredibly versatile technique that can be used in many different fields. If you're interested in learning more about gas chromatography and its practical applications, visit our website today.